Welcome to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is fairly self-explanatory, and it's a good option for persons who reside in Latin America, Canada, the Caribbean, Eastern Europe, and even South America. So if you fall within one of these countries, feel free to make an application. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to show you an easy way to make a 3D mockup for your book. So just head over to Google. Once you're on Google, type in DIY book cover. It will take you to this page. You can select the first option. And this page shows you how you can make your mockup for your book. So we can see that the first step is to choose a 3D mockup. So they have provided us with some templates. So if you're looking for this type of look, or you want to see some sort of shadow or the pages exposed in the book, you can just go through and see which one suits you or which you prefer. So I'm just going to select this option for now. Once you have selected your option, you simply select next. The next step is for you to upload your cover image. So for your Amazon KDP book, you would have created a book cover, and you should have saved that cover in either PNG or JPG in order to use this site. Once you have done that and you have your book cover ready, you can simply upload it. Then select upload. Make sure that everything is good with your book cover. And once everything is in order and it was uploaded successfully, you simply select next again. And all you have to do now is to download your book cover. You can decide if you want it in PNG or if you want it in JPG. I'm going to select PNG. And just like that, guys, your book cover is created. This is what it looks like. So if you like this look, you should definitely utilize DIY book covers. Let me just show you one more option that's available. So we're just going to hit the back button. And just as before, we can go through the various options. And remember, this can be used as a marketing strategy for your book. So I'm just going to select this one. Let's see how it looks. So once you have selected your template, again, select next, upload. My information is already uploaded, so I can just continue on. So I'm going to select next again. And to generate, you just select PNG or JPG. I've selected PNG, and this is what my mock-up book cover should look like. Thank you for listening to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment and click that notification bell so you can be alerted of all our videos. Thanks for viewing.